Hey guys, it's Keith here with East Tennessee Flippers. Just wanted to welcome you to episode number 10. Stay tuned. Alright, our first order is going to be back here on the top shelf. It is this Crane elephant humidifier. This sold for $21.68 shipped. Our second order is going to be in bin number 3, and it is this bamboo stylus pen. It was untested, didn't know much about it. I did make note of that in the description. That sold for $12.47 shipped. That's actually going to Lisa. Thank you for that order, Lisa. The elephant humidifier actually went to Albert, so thank you, Albert, for that one. Our next order is going to be out of bin number 10. And that is going to be this cassette adapter. We got that out of a mystery bag in one of our last videos. That goes out to Thomas for $10.99 shipped. Speaking of our last video, the last mystery bag video that we did, mystery box video that we did, we announced that we were doing a giveaway. The giveaway consists of this Obi-Wan Kenobi Walgreens exclusive hooded Funko Pop. Go back to that video. I will try to link it in the description if I don't forget. Go back to that video and get your secret word and enter into that giveaway. That giveaway will be concluding on March the 8th at midnight. So March the 9th on Tuesday, we will go live and do the drawing. Alright, our next order is going to be bin 12. And that is going to be this order of farm animals. There is 12 farm animals in there. That sold for $9.63 shipped. That goes to Joe. Thank you, Joe. All right, next item is also going to be in bin number 3, and this is a cross pen. It is Frosty Pink Tech 3 Plus. That order is going to Tatiana, and that sold for $17.90 shipped. Thank you for that order, Tatiana. Our next item was an auction. That is going to be in bin number 5, and that one sold for 99 cents shipped. It was also another item that we did not care to go ahead and lose profit on because we were so far ahead on the deal. But it was a candle holder. It's a canoe candle holder. Crystal. It was a crystal candle boat canoe candle holder for $9.37 shipped. Thank you, Dana. And then our last item is going to be in bin number 1, and that is going to be this Ion thickening mousse. That goes to Diane. That sold for $10.60 shipped. Thank you for that, Diane. Also, we want to take the time to remind you to like the video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. And just remember, guys, there's always somebody out there that's got it harder than you do, and keep on keeping on.